Hi.
Hello from Tombstone, Arizona.
Made it to Tombstone, drove about 5 hours today from Jerome. That is our place. First lodging house in Tombstone.
Built in 1896.
It's pretty awesome. I'll show you the inside in a little bit. But right now we're gonna go explore Tombstone. So let's go.
So I just read this courthouse. They purchased a kiln to make the bricks here on site to build this, and all total at the end of the 1800s cost about $43,000 to build this building. But I couldn't even imagine how much it would cost today.
Look up in the ceiling, you're going to see bullet holes. You look at them from this angle, they're all straight in a row. That's only if they liked your show. The feeling of sadness and the heaviness in the chest. I don't know if anybody's ever told you, but that tells me you're sensitive to the paranormal.
Oh yeah.
Just last week was a bad weekend for tours. I had a lot of sensitive people in here. I had to help escort them out the building. They couldn't stay in here no longer. They'd had all they could handle. Guy said it felt like somebody sitting on his chest. He couldn't breathe. He says, I gotta get out of here. Took him out.
Good morning, day 2 from Tombstone. We are here at the Boothill Cemetery, just outside of downtown Tombstone. It's a pretty cool little graveyard. They give you like a little brochure that talks about the people that are here. So we're gonna walk around, pay our respects to the dead, and
the murdered.
And the unknown. So these are the graves of the most famous Battle of Tombstone at OK Corral, which we're going to go see in a little bit. But these are 3 of the men that were killed by the Earps.
And Doc.
And Doc.
Yep.
So we'll show you a little bit of the OK Corral gunfights. He was accidentally shot as he started to take Curly Bill's gun. This took place on the lot where the Birdcage Theater now stands. So we learned the story last night from our person that did our investigation at the Birdcage Theater, and down in the basement where the world's longest poker game took place, there was Margarita, who was sitting on the lap of a gentleman, and another dance girl or prostitute named Gold Dollar came in, and she got really upset about this and stabbed Margarita in the heart with a dagger, and then Gold Dollar ran out and was never seen again. But when they excavated the back part where all of the what do you call them, outhouses were, they found a dagger buried in all of the dirt, and they believe it was Gold Dollar's dagger that stabbed Margarita. And here's her car. It's so crazy. We just heard about it last night.
Come on, Lunger, I'll tell you. This Vine's free to go. I want you to load this drunken fool up and get him out of here. I don't want to see any more cowboys the rest of the day. We ain't leaving. Solly's today. Y'all's dead. D-E-D.
There's an A in there.
Well, Bill, you see, when the Earps get here, we're gonna deal with them. How does that sound?
You don't mean we're actually gonna shoot
What I mean is,
No.
right now, no.
Boys looking for a fight? They can have one.
Throw up your hands. We're here for your gun. Billy, you got it. I ain't gonna kill you.
stays away. You're Daisy if you do. And that, folks, is our show. We hope you enjoy.
Alright, that is it from Tombstone. We had a great couple of days here, learned a lot about the history of Tombstone, had a really cool investigation, gunfire. Pretty cool little town. You gotta come check it out if you're down
Good
in
experience.
the Phoenix, Tucson area.
Yeah, not bad. Stay at the San Jose house. So
Yeah, super quiet,
Yeah.
super nice,
Yeah.
really inexpensive too. Great little place. And it's supposed to be super haunted, but we didn't really have much happen. But
yep,
that's okay.
Grandpa went off once. But yeah. All right.
Off we go.
Off to the airport. Goodbye, and thanks
Bye.
for joining us today.